So now that we've discussed the ethnicity estimate and the genetic communities, I wanted to show you how this works in the program, in Ancestry's program. I'm using my cousin Tom Corbett because he does not have a family tree on Ancestry of any kind. He just has the free membership and just tested his DNA, did nothing more. And you can see that he's been provided with many of his genetic communities, especially in County Mayo, where our family's from, and also for his father's family from New York settlers, that community as well. And so what I want to do is just kind of show you what Ancestry's, the information they're giving you here. So let's say we start with Northeast County Mayo, which is in Ireland. And what it's telling you, in this region, in this community, there's almost 500,000 members who are linked through shared ancestors. They have common segments of DNA in their genome. Honestly, I think I'm related to most of them. Anyway, so here we go. Here's some of the featured matches, and these happen to be our first cousins. Now, we only give you 3 now. Ancestry used to give you the entire cohort, but no more. I'm hoping they bring that back. So as you scroll down further, it's going to start to show you the migration, in this case, of the Irish, with brief descriptions of the history of different parts of Ireland. These circles that they're showing you are the concentrations of the people in this region, the 500,000 people, where the central location is for them. And they're showing you, we're at 1775 now. This is where they are. This is where they are in Ireland, our family and these families. In 1800, they pretty much haven't moved. 1825, however, they're starting to migrate. From County Mayo, they're coming to the United States. Other parts of Ireland were going to different places in the world, mostly to the United States. But anyway, so they're showing you where they're going as well. And I'll zoom in now to show you where they were going in the United States. And you can see it was mostly in the Northeast, the industrial Northeast. And as the Irish kept coming, they were less likely to become and be farmers. They went to the cities. So let me just go down to 1850. And again, it's showing you there's some migration from Ireland to England. They're heading over to England. But they're mostly coming to the United States. And this is the time of the famine. And you can see they're showing you that Mayo, they're coming in to northeastern Pennsylvania, to New York, and other areas in the Northeast. In 1875, they're still coming. But now they're coming into Massachusetts and Philadelphia area, Northeast Pennsylvania. Now Pittsburgh is a big city. They're the coal miners. They came here to work in the steel mills and the coal mines, and that's what they were doing at that time, in that period of time. So that's the sort of information he gets there. If I go back to the ethnicity estimate, I wanted to show you his New York settlers region, the southeastern New York settlers. And again, you'll get, this is over 1 million people who have tested with Ancestry fall in this category. Featured matches, which are, again, his siblings. So it's not very useful, but it can be if you're looking at other things. Beginning of history, it's talking about, and the history is following this timeline. And it's showing that they're coming in, these early settlers are coming from mostly England and Germany. And they're coming in again to the northeast of America, but you can see they are really coming into this eastern seaboard. Again, it's just showing more people coming, 1875. But now it's sort of interesting because now they're actually moving within the United States, and they're showing these moves. That they're moving up to New Brunswick and into Canada. And some of this is loyalists, a haven for loyalists. They're leaving after our Revolutionary War. And so it just is showing how they then start traveling across the United States and how, for the most part, the path was from the east to the west. There wasn't a lot of north and south migration. This is the way they went. And these circles, once again, indicate the density. These are the real birth locations in the family trees of the people who had family trees. So you could see where they were headed. And that is how you're looking at your DNA story.